In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SKU numbers for Shopify. A SKU, or stock keeping unit, is a unique code you create to identify each product and each variant you sell. Clear SKUs make it easy to search your catalog, track inventory, and run accurate reports. They're different from barcodes and can follow any pattern you choose, as long as you stay consistent and keep each one unique. Let's walk through creating SKUs manually in Shopify. Start in your Shopify admin and open the Products area. Pick the product you want to edit by clicking into it. If your product has options like size or color, you'll see a variants section as you scroll down the page. If it's a single product with no variants, look for the Inventory section instead. Now, find the SKU field for the item you're editing. For each variant, or for the single product if there are no variants, enter a unique descriptive code. A simple, readable format works best. For example, for a blue hoodie in size large, you might enter HDY Blue L. That code tells you at a glance it's a hoodie, the color is blue, and the size is large. You can adapt the pattern to your catalog, such as top GRNM for a green top and medium, or mug WHT12 for a 12-ounce white mug. Use hyphens to keep things tidy, avoid spaces, and stick to letters and numbers so your codes are easy to sort and search. A few quick tips as you type. Keep the order of information the same every time, like product category, color, then size. Stay concise, but meaningful enough that you can identify the item without opening the product page. Make sure each SKU is unique across your entire store, especially when you have multiple variants of the same product. If you already use SKUs elsewhere, match the same pattern here to keep your systems aligned. Work through each variant on the product, adding a SKU to each one. If the product has no variants, just add one SKU in the Inventory section. Double-check your entries for typos or letters that can be confused, like O and 0, before moving on. When you're finished, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. Your SKUs are now part of the product data and will help with inventory management and searching within Shopify. That's it. By choosing a consistent format and adding SKUs directly to each product or variant, you create a clean, reliable foundation for managing your store.